Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and technicals to help you understand the markets. Today, we're focusing on PUSD, the British pound sterling against the US dollar. The market has been quite volatile in recent times, especially leading up to the US presidential election. The outcome of this election could have significant implications for the US dollar and the PUSD pair. The Federal Reserve and the Bank of England are also expected to make interest rate decisions this week, which could further influence the PUSD trend. Looking at the PUSD news, we see a number of headlines mentioning a weakening US dollar, which is currently providing support for the PUSD pair. However, the market remains cautious, with investors waiting to see the outcome of the US election. Predictit has placed a 51% chance of Kamala Harris winning the election, which could further weigh on the USD if she wins. With all these factors in play, let's dive into the charts to see what the technicals are telling us. Now, let's take a look at the daily chart for PUSD. We can see that PUSD has been trending upwards in the last few months, with a clear bullish bias. The pair has successfully broken above several key resistance levels, indicating strong buying pressure. However, there has been some recent consolidation, as the market seems to be taking a breather before the US election. We can see a clear support level around 1.2500, where the pair has bounced several times in the past. On the other hand, the key resistance level to watch is at 1.3000. This level has acted as a significant barrier in the past, and if the PUSD pair can successfully break above it, we could see a further bullish run. The recent consolidation around 1.3000 suggests that there is some hesitation in the market, but it could also be a sign of buyers accumulating before a potential breakout. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can zoom in on the recent action. Here, we see a more dynamic picture of PUSD's movement. We see the pair bouncing off support around 1.2950 and trying to break through resistance around 1.3000. The recent consolidation is even more apparent on this timeframe, with the price action oscillating within a tight range. If we look at the last few hours, we see the pair failing to break above 1.3000, suggesting that there's some resistance to further upward movement. However, the overall bullish trend is still intact, with the pair remaining above the crucial 1.2950 support level. The upcoming US election and the Fed and BOE interest rate decisions could provide the catalyst for a breakout in either direction. It's important to remember that the 1-hour chart is a shorter time frame, and its movements can be influenced by short-term factors, so it's essential to look at the bigger picture on the daily chart. Let's now focus on a specific range of candles on the 15-minute chart, from October 31st to November 1st, to get a better understanding of the short-term price action. This time frame highlights the high volatility and the back and forth between buyers and sellers, with PUSD bouncing around 1.2900. We see the pair struggling to gain momentum, with several attempts to break above resistance around 1.2920, but it has been unable to sustain those levels. The candlestick pattern in this time frame suggests that the market is currently indecisive. There's some short-term bearish sentiment as the pair keeps dipping below 1.2900, but the overall bullish trend is not yet broken. While the market seems to be waiting for the big events of the week to make a decisive move, the price action in this time frame could indicate that the market is in a consolidation phase. Now, let's summarize the key price levels to watch for PUSD. On the daily chart, the 1.2500 level appears to be a strong support level. A break below this level could signal a change in trend and a potential shift towards bearish sentiment. On the other hand, the 1.3000 level is a crucial resistance level. A successful breakout above this level could indicate a continuation of the bullish trend and a significant price move. The upcoming US election and the Fed and BOE interest rate decisions could have a major impact on PUSD's price action. If we see the USD weaken further following the US election, or if the Fed and BOE cut interest rates, we could see a stronger bullish momentum and a potential breakout above 1.3000. Conversely, if the USD strengthens or if the Fed and BOE maintain or raise interest rates, we could see a reversal of the bullish trend and a potential break below 1.2500. Overall, the technicals suggest that GBPUSD is currently in a consolidation phase. The market seems to be waiting for the big events of the week to make a decisive move. While the bullish trend is still intact, a break below 1.2500 could signal a shift towards bearish sentiment. On the other hand, a successful breakout above 1.3000 could indicate a continuation of the bullish trend. It's important to monitor the news closely and be prepared for potential volatility in the market. The upcoming U.S. election, Fed and BOE interest rate decisions, and other economic data releases could provide crucial clues to the direction of the GBPUSD pair. Stay tuned for more updates from Explain the Charts. We'll be keeping an eye on the market and bringing you the latest insights and analysis. Remember to always do your own research and manage your risks wisely when trading. Happy trading!